Go on then, plan for Lancaster services, so it's in just under a mile.
So I'll need to be coming off here.
Half a mile for Lancaster services, so where do you want to be? Lovely, good. When are you going to signal for Lancaster services?
Now.
Good, like it. Smashing it. Are we going to keep the speed the same?
No.
Yeah, at the moment we are. So we're going to keep the speed the same here. Until then, we come into this. And now slow down. So you're off your gas, you can let the hill take your speed.
Does it matter which lane I'm in?
Have a look ahead. It's all planned. So a bit of ball brakes. Remember, you can be a lot faster than you think you are. So where do you want to be? Bit more brake, too fast.
We're going through here?
Yeah, good.
Oh
Smashing.
Oh my god, these speed bumps. It goes like so fast.
What gear now?
Second, first.
Did you feel it then, the speed?
Yeah.
It weren't too bad, but it was maybe a little bit quicker than we should have been. You could have gone a bit slower.
Yeah.
Like when you look down at your speed, you'd have been probably surprised how much over it would have been than what you felt you were. Because you've been doing that high speed, yeah. So let's go straight through if you want.
Yeah.
And then we'll head up to the next exit and come all the way around and back down.
Okie dokie.
South on the motorway. But this is good practice. What dangers have you got?
Zebra crossing.
Yeah. People walking about, dogs, all that kind of stuff.
This is the type of place you don't want to take.
It's a bit tight in it as well, isn't it? With the setup, yeah.
I'm like my business teacher then, for Jesus' sake.
But yeah, on the approach coming on into the slip road.
Yeah.
You did quite well there.
There you go.
But remember, on the motorway,
yeah.
If we can, let's try. Good. Let's try and keep the speed the same because we don't want to slow people down on the motorway, do we?
No, yeah.
So then we reduce our speed then once we're on the slip road.
Yes.
Ideally. It can be different in different situations, but yeah.
I don't actually know what type of speed this should be here.
What do you reckon? What's a sensible speed for car parks?
20 probably.
10-ish. Yeah. Do you want me to leave you to this? Getting on, back on?
Absolutely not.
What help do you want from me? Some questions? So what are you going to do now with your speed?
Speed.
Okay, good. What are we going to keep?
Left.
Good. Why?
To let whatever's happening behind happen.
Good. And we can use that slip road, can't we?
Yeah.
Good. So you've got a longer run on that slip road to help you get on, rather than being on the right hand side and then it cutting short.
Yeah. That was actually easier.
Did alright then, it was good. That was good. Yeah. Good acceleration. You had good jacks. Surprisingly quite clear when you got onto it.
Yeah. What would happen if you had a car coming up and you were on the slip road?
Yeah.
And you had a car behind you and that car was just not moving over?
You got it. Well, that's why you're getting your speed up then. So when you've got your speed up, it's going to be easier then. If you want, stay here because I think we're coming off soon. Yeah, we are. You're going to be easier then to decide to get in front of it or behind.